Hello again. This is a tutorial to show you how to add different kind of shapes to your photos, your photo collages. So if you go to this free pen tool down underneath your text tool, it says free pen. You can kind of draw your own freestyle shapes, whatever you want to make. Have fun with it. The lines are curvy. You can get real creative with this. They also will automatically fill in with a color if you want, if you choose that fill button. Otherwise, if you don't want it to fill in with a color, you can just click on the X tool right there and it will just leave you with whatever shape you're drawing. Alternatively, if you want to insert a custom shape, you can come down to this rectangle and you can select either rectangles, lines, different kinds of shapes. Let me move this here. Hold on a sec. You can also click on custom shape at the very bottom of the drop-down menu. And in this top right corner, there is a bunch of different preloaded templates of shapes that you can use. So if you want a big like for Facebook like, you can select that tool or that shape and then go ahead and draw that in however big or small you want it. If you hold down shift, it will keep your aspect ratio retained. Okay, so there you go. You can use your move tool. You can move it around, whatever you'd like to do with it. So that's how you add different shapes in your projects. Okay, good luck. You're almost there with finishing this challenge.